Now I am going to cover how to use the new filter and status for document and contracts in workflow, action and triggers. First, go to Go High Level sub account. Then click Payments. Next, click Documents and Contracts. Here you can see the document and contract page. Here you can create a new contract by clicking New button if you want. Here I am going to use the existing contract. Next, click Automation link to automate the process. Here you can see a workflow page. You can create a new workflow by clicking Create Workflow button. Here you can create the template, start from the scratch. Click Continue. In the workflow page, you can see a new trigger. Just to click on it and type document and contacts. Then add a filter. Here I am selecting the status and selecting the operator. Then I am selecting completed. Then you can click the save trigger. Now the new trigger is created here. Now you can add one more trigger. Type documents and trigger. Select a document and contracts. Add a filter. Here I am selecting template. Then selecting operator. Here I am selecting the template. Then clicking save trigger. Now two trigger is added here. Just click save button. It will save the workflow. Just click back to workflow. Here you can see the new workflow that created with the status draft. You can publish the workflow by clicking these three dots and click publish workflow. Just click confirm. Now the new workflow is published. This is the way you can use the new filter and status for documents and contracts in workflow actions and triggers. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.